Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can invite staff on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content. Here you're going to find analytics, marketing, and discounts. Right here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sales. And lastly, right here, you're going to find your applications. Right here in the bottom, you're going to find your settings. So go ahead and click on settings. And after you click on settings, you're going to be right here in this page. So once here in the settings, in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, checkout, and so on. Go ahead and click on users and permissions. And then here under permissions, you're going to find firstly store owner. Here you're going to find the store owner, and you can also transfer the ownership to another account. Here under it, you're going to find staff accounts. So basically, guys, from here, you can add staff to your Shopify store, and you can also invite staff. As you can see, guys, in my case, I don't have a subscription plan that includes additional staff accounts option. So it's saying right here, select a subscription plan that includes additional staff accounts and control who can do what. So click on compare plans, and then here you can subscribe to a plan that includes staff accounts. This is the recommended plan, the Shopify plan, best for more staff accounts. Once you add the plan, you're going to be able to invite staff to your Shopify store. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.